Hello and welcome back to Higa House. And today we'll be taking a look at the old Chesterfield Cottage that got a complete makeover, and it looks incredible. There are plenty of cute small houses out there just waiting to be purchased and updated, much like Chesterfield Cottage that married couple Brian and Catherine bought and beautifully restored. When the couple purchased the home, it was in okay shape with good bones, but it definitely needed improvements. The tiny house is a 1950s Cape Cod design with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's about 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for small house living. The neighborhood it's in has houses that typically sell for $100,000 to $150,000. So the duo didn't want to over-luxuriate the home design as they renovated, so they could sell it for a fair price. They came up with a budget and got to work planning the design. Their main goal was to make the home feel bigger, so they put a lot of thought into how each space could be used to the best of its ability. The home didn't look too bad when they bought it, but it was definitely outdated in a few respects, and there were some quick and affordable updates the couple made that really brought the home up to the 21st century. They did some quick fixes to the exterior that instantly updated the tiny house design, like removing all of the old, worn-out awnings over the windows. And then they put some PVC covering over top of the outdated metal posts on the front porch. They also replaced the old front door, which creates an instant update, as well as a more energy-efficient home. If you don't want to replace your door, you can always try painting it a different color, which can update the home design quite a bit. They painted the sliding in a navy blue color, which looks fabulous, and added some white trim to finish it all off. They also added some lovely cedar flower boxes under the windows, which look really cute, and added some cedar paneling under the porch entranceway. Another very simple update they did that you can do too is change the numbers on your home for a modern style of number. This is another affordable and easy way to update your front entranceway. There was already some nice landscaping at the front, so they just cleaned it up a bunch and got it look pretty again. They also worked on the backyard of the home as well by painting the garage the same color as the house and cleaning up the backyard too. After seeing the improvements done to the exterior of the home, you'll be really excited to see the interior home design. The home was filled with carpet before the couple got to remodeling, but it was a no-brainer that all of the old carpet would be ripped out, and to their surprise, they revealed some beautiful hardwood which they refinished. This instantly brightened the entire space up and made it feel much bigger than it is. The white paint also helped to create a more light and airy feel in the home, which also opens it up completely. They chose to keep the arched doorways, which was a great choice because they really look great with the new design. The bathroom update is also amazing, with a patterned tile floor and subway tile in the shower area, and they also created a little loft bedroom upstairs, which is so cute. The kitchen is another amazing update in the home design, and it'll make small house living even more enjoyable. Check out all of these stages of the renovation and be prepared to be amazed by this gorgeous tiny house design. And if you like this video, consider dropping a like because it really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.